Right, well, I've crudely set you up somewhere on the windscreen, out the way, like a dash cam. Right, let's go. Right, we've got a brew, we've got a phone, we've got a coffee. Right, we're in drive, everything's reset. Let's just reset the energy, 1 second. See me going to a public charger today, this is not going to be good. Clear data, okay, and reset that. Okay. Right, let's get the sat nav on. Yeah. Let's find the postcode. We're actually going to a place called Andy the Meat Man in Blackpool. We're not sponsored by Andy, by the way, just before anybody says anything. He's got some incredible deals on today, and I thought I'd go and get some. So let's have a look where we're going. Dipstick. FY. Talk to yourself amongst yourselves a minute. How do you do this? Make sure the aircon's off, because we don't be having another day of that we had yesterday. 5 T. Oh, right. Let's get out of here. Is that right? Yeah. Right. Oh, it's 58 miles. I didn't think it was that far, but right. Let's go. Hey, BYD.
What's up?
What's the outside temperature, please?
Currently it is cloudy in Stockport with a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius. Today it will be cloudy with temperatures between 4 and 10 degrees Celsius.
Right. Okay. Hey, BYD.
Hi there.
What's the temperature in Blackpool?
Currently it is cloudy in Blackpool with a temperature of -1 degree Celsius. Today it will be partly cloudy with a low of 2 and a high of 10.